Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today at Battery Guys Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2007 Ford F150 pickup truck. You will need a long extension and a 10mm socket to take out the center bracket for the battery on this truck. It's very simple. What you want to do is you basically just want to turn the extension clockwise until the bolt completely comes out of the bracket. And this right here is one of those type of brackets that has the long extension on the top of it that you have to use. It takes a few minutes to take this bracket out. So I don't know why they put this type of bracket in this truck, but they did. So just bear with us as we get through this video. Next, you would need also too, once we take this bracket out, you would need a 10mm wrench to take off the post, the positive and the negative post. But we just took out the bracket off this battery, so now we're gonna get the 10mm and we're gonna take off the positive post first. And what you want to do is you want to turn that wrench clockwise until you completely loosen up that bolt to get the battery terminal off. Now we have a little problem to try and get out this negative terminal. So just do the best you can to try to loosen that bolt up a little bit more. It should pop right on off, as you saw right here in the video. Once you get this out, just lift up the battery, take out the old battery and insert the new battery. And today we are installing the world's greatest reconditioned battery in this F150 pickup truck. If it's your first time visiting Battery Guys Nation, please like the video, comment, share the video. You never know, you might have a friend or family member that might need a battery installed in a 2007 Ford F150 pickup truck, so please share this video. So what we're doing now, we're actually cleaning the terminals on this positive post. And you can pick this up at any local national auto part chain place. Also to your local Walmart sells these little battery cleaners that clean the terminals as well. So we're actually sticking on the negative terminal first. That's what we're doing here. And then we're gonna get our 10mm wrench, and then we're gonna tighten this up as well. Yeah, these vehicles are kind of really easy to install a battery, because the battery is right there when you pop the hood of the truck. Now what we're doing now, we're actually gonna tighten up the positive on this battery terminal. And what you want to do, you want to use that 10mm and just turn that wrench clockwise until the bolt tightened up. And likewise, it's your first time visiting Battery Guys Nation. If you're in need of a real good quality reconditioned battery, please visit our website, Battery Guys with a Z, and purchase the world's best reconditioned battery. Free shipping to your home, up to a 2-year warranty. So what we're doing now, we're actually trying to tighten down that center bracket in this battery. So just take your 10mm with the long extension and just turn clockwise until it tightens up. Okay, we got it tightened up. And that's pretty much it.